Hey guys, it's Gretchen Gatan of grated.com. So today we're going to be collaborating with one of my favorite local milk brands, Holly's Milk. I discovered Holly's Milk a few years back at the Salcedo Weekend Market, and ever since I've been using their milk for almost anything: coffee, oatmeal, cereals, so anything that involves milk. During the ECQ, I started experimenting with a few easy recipes. For tonight, I'm going to be doing mac and cheese because I have a lot of extra pasta. I cooked pasta last week, and because it's just me and my husband who live together, I have a lot of excess pasta that I'll be turning into mac and cheese tonight. For my ingredients, of course, I'm going to be using Holly's Milk, the star product for this recipe. And then I already have grated cheese, and we have butter. Normally you put flour as well, but flour has been out of stock online and in groceries, so I don't have flour for tonight. Hopefully the recipe will still be okay despite not having flour. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I already melted the butter in the pot, and if you have flour at home, you can gradually stir it in, but since I don't have flour, I'm just gonna go straight to the milk. I'll be putting about 1 cup of Holly's Milk. And then I'm gonna gradually pour it. I'm hoping this works because not having flour will mean it's gonna be very watery, I guess. But I guess it's fine. And then this is about 1 cup of cheese as well, so I'll be putting it little by little. So just keep mixing it, and once the cheese has mixed in with the milk, we'll be putting the pasta in the pot as well. Then put a little salt and pepper. So that's basically how you can do a really easy and quick mac and cheese dish. It's not the hardest thing to do, but then again, I'm just starting out in the kitchen, and yeah, I still have a lot to learn. But I hope you picked up something, and again, I just used Holly's whole milk, butter and cheese, and then season it with salt and pepper. I'm gonna try to do more videos using Holly's Milk, so watch out for that. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram at Gretchen Gatan, and also visit my blog, grated.com. So yeah, bye!